Authorities in the United Kingdom have launched an international manhunt after a senior IT executive left the country shortly before his wife and two daughters were discovered dead at their family home in Bedford. Police have identified the suspect as 45-year-old Ndodana Mark Chuma, who is believed to have boarded a flight from Heathrow Airport to Zimbabwe. Investigators released CCTV images showing him at the airport carrying luggage and passing through an electronic departure gate. Only days before the tragic discovery shocked the local community. According to investigators, the bodies of his wife, 42-year-old Zandile Chuma, Zandile Chuma, and their daughters, 15-year-old Natalie and 5-year-old Nala, were found inside their Bedford home. Police have launched a complex murder investigation and are working with international law enforcement agencies to locate Chuma. Detectives Inspector Lee Martin says investigators are pursuing every available lead and urged Chuma to surrender to the authorities. He stressed that criminal investigations do not stop at national borders and that police are determined to bring the suspect before the court. Authorities also appealed directly to Chuma, asking him to hand himself in, while expressing condolences to the grieving relatives, friends, and everyone affected by the tragedy. Friends of the family told local media that the couple had reportedly been experiencing serious marital problems and were in the process of separating. They claimed the family home had recently been valued as part of divorce proceedings and that Zandile had hoped to begin a new chapter in her life with their daughters. Several friends described Zandile as a devoted mother, an accomplished professional, and someone looking forward to rebuilding a future. They also alleged that the marriage had become increasingly strained in recent months. Reports indicate that the couple were seen together at one of their children's school sporting events shortly before Chuma left the United States. Zandile was widely respected in the financial sector, specializing in financial crime prevention, fraud investigations, and anti-money laundering. During her career, she worked with international recognized organizations and also served in leadership roles promoting women in the fraud prevention industry. Chuma was an experienced IT executive who had built a successful career in technology after completing his studies in Zimbabwe and the United Kingdom. He reportedly held senior management positions within the IT industry. Police have described the investigation as highly complex and say specialist detectives continue gathering evidence while working closely with international partners to trace the suspect's whereabouts.